Hello everyone, today I have brought something different for you. We will create 3D bottle as you can see on the screen. If you have any other ideas to design which I can create for you, then please share your ideas with me. You are always most welcome. Till then, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel. This is SGraphicDesign. Welcome to my channel. So without any wasting time, let's start. I have taken these scratch images from the Google. So now take a guide and mark it to the center. Take a pen tool and create the outline color as a black. Then start creating the bottle. If the shape is not coming correct, don't worry. After that, you can take a direct selection tool and you can correct the image as you want. If you know the shortcut keys of the tool, then it is well and good. You can do it fast. So take a scissor tool now and cut that mark so that we will separate that and will create 3 parts of image so that we can color 3 parts differently. If you don't know the shortcut keys, then one of my short has included all the shortcut keys which is used in the Adobe Illustrator, so please go and watch. So you can press here Ctrl Y to look in the outline and we can see how the image is joining or not. Press again Ctrl Y and come out from the outline mode. Now please fill the color. I have used that color which is used in the logo itself. You can take any color whichever you want. If the image is not coming properly, then please again trace with the pen tool and adjust. You can adjust the bottle shape as you want with the pen tool. It is a very nice tool. It is very difficult in learning also, but as we practice that pen tool, it will be very familiar to us. So now the bottle is created, half of the bottle I must say. So now we will remove the outline color as black and then group it. Then we will take that logo as a symbol and create a new symbol. You can give any name. So let's say take some break. Till then, you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel. And now we will be continuing doing our work. So go to 3D and materials and in that please click to the revolve option and with the help of map art adjust the place or check the place where you want that logo and adjust that logo. Please don't stretch the logo so that it will not look original. It has to be stretched from all the sides equally. I have placed the logo, you can say the third part of the bottle. you can place above that also here, but I like this part, so I will place it here. So keep adjusting till it will not look in the proper way. Finally done. It's looking not so bad. I see most of them are not enjoying my videos now. If you have any difficulty, then please let me know. Till then, don't forget to watch, subscribe and share. Till then, keep watching.